Dear viewers, today our topic is HCF of two numbers. How to find out HCF of two numbers. In order to understand HCF of two numbers, first of all we need to understand what the factor is. Factor is actually a number which exactly divides a number. Which exactly divides a number. So let's take an example of number 6. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 6 can be divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, which is an integer. So 2 exactly divides the 6. 6 can be divided by 3, which gives the result 2. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2, which is an integer. So 3 also exactly divides 6. 6 can be divided by 1, which is equal to 6. So 1 exactly divides 6, or 6 can be divided by 6 itself. So 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1, which exactly divides is an also integer. So the factors of 6 are 2, 3, 6 and 1. Thus we can say that factor is a number which exactly divides a number. So 2, 3, 6 and 1 exactly divide 6. Thus these are the factors of number. Remember here 6 and 1 and itself are factors of every number. After understanding the factor, we need to understand HCF. Here we can take also an example of numbers 9 and 6. Let's take an example of two numbers 9 and 6. The factors of 9 are 3 into 3 is equal to 6, or 9 into 1 is equal to 6. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 or 6 into 1. So the factors of 9 are 9, 1 and itself all factors of every number 3, and factors of 6 are 6, 1, 2 and 3. So clearly the factors of 9 are 9, 1, 3. The factors of 6 are 6, 1, 2, 3. Among these factors, the common factors which are present in both are the common factors are 1, common factors of 6 and 9 are 1, 3, 1 and 3. So these are the common factors. Among these common factors, 3 is the greatest factor. 3 is greater than 1. So 3 is the highest among the all factors. 3 is greatest among the all common factors. So we can say that this is highest common factor. We can say that 3 is highest common factor because it is highest among the common factors. First of all we have to find out common factors. Common factors are 1 and 3. Among these, highest common factor is 3. Thus we can say that 3 is the highest common factor of these two numbers, or it is the greatest common divisor, because as we stated above that a factor is a number which exactly divides a number. So among these dividers, common dividers 1 and 3 are common dividers of 9 and 6. 1 and 3 are common divisors of 9 and 6. Thus 3 is the greatest among the divisors, common divisors. So 3 can be written as said as greatest common divisor, GCD, greatest common divisor. Now we define the HCF, or highest common factor. Highest common factor is abbreviated as HCF. It is the highest among all common factors of 2 or more than 2 numbers. As stated our example 6 and 9, there was 3 highest common factor. 3 is also a greatest common divisor, GCD. So HCF is the highest among all common factors. First we need to find out common factors. Then among the common factors, highest, which is greater, most greatest number is called highest common factor of two numbers, or it is also called greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor means, which is abbreviated as GCD. So in our next video we will try to understand to find methods to find out HCF of two numbers.